Yeah, yeah, I see.
Hey y'all, it's Austin White with Automall River Sportsman. Fine Saturday morning, coming here, set on the south side of this property this morning where we knew some birds were, and it was just quiet. It has been the past 2 or 3 days. Just we've had some bad weather, just real, wasn't saying much, and we come out there and set up on the other side like I said, and didn't hear nothing. Heard a bird on another property across the road. He gobbled pretty good on the roost and shut up, so I was like, well, let's go make a move on him. We come in here, pulled in the field, cut through some pine trees, called one time, he gobbled. We scooted up about another 50, 60 yards, and the rest was history. He was up in this field just back and forth trying to cross this fence, and he finally crossed the fence, caught him to us, and he come in there and put on the show, acted like, just like he was supposed to. And just a good Saturday morning in South Georgia, and got it done. This bird got some hooks on him too. Read the script, did like you're supposed to. That's all she wrote.